Oh my gosh, I just took the quickest shower of my life. I'm so hungry. Apologies for the lighting. Honestly, I don't even care right now. I just want to eat. Oh, hello. Okay, I was about to say, you'll never guess where I am. But based on the title, I'm assuming you can guess where I am. I'm in Miami. Truth. I am in Miami for the weekend for the Miami Swim Week, which is super cool. Cupshe, the brand Cupshe, was gracious enough to invite me, which is really so awesome. Yes, I just got in and I am very hungry and very tired. It was a fine flight, but anything with like a layover, it starts, I don't like layovers anymore. It makes me tired. I am beyond exhausted. You never eat properly. I ordered healthy things, which is surprising. I was about to order a burger, but I was like, you know what? Nope. Swim week, I need to be healthy. Also, I started my period, so I'm extremely bloated. But yes, I'm sorry. I'm so tired. I can't even talk right now. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna watch a movie and then go to bed, and then I'll wake up and I'll keep vlogging because it's gonna be a very fun weekend. Okay, goodbye. Oh, hello. We just spent the day at, well, the morning. I literally slept until like 11:30. I don't know why, but I was so exhausted. I just couldn't get out of bed. But my friend Allie is here and she went on a run this morning and then went to the beach and now we're about to get ready for the events tonight. We're going to a restaurant called Sexy Fish. It looks like a mermaid dream. I'm so excited. And then we are off to the Swim Week fashion show and then we are going to some after party at the Cupshe place. Should be really fun. I'm super stoked. I just don't know what I'm gonna wear. And I'm very hungry. We're not eating for another like 2 hours. Okay. I'll get ready. Okay, so we have this option. I really want to wear it. Has like an open back. It looks so comfortable. I actually have never worn it, but it's thick. And I don't know, it's like all long sleeve and everything. Ugh! And then we have this guy, much more practical for Miami. I'm gonna have to wear a swimsuit underneath it, so it's like kind of like a swimsuit cover up, I guess. I'll probably wear this one, but I really want to wear the white one. Okay, this is the fit I went with. None of it is my clothes, it's all Allie's.
Well, we're going to get dress coded if Jill wore what she was originally planning on doing.
There's a dress code at the restaurant that we're about to go to, Sexy Fish. It's such a cool restaurant, but you can't wear like bikinis or swimsuit cover-ups.
Which she's still technically wearing, but it's
it looks better.
This is more modest. Like, can you believe this is more modest than what she originally had on?
This is like Mormon.
Yeah,
compared to what I was wearing.
Amish. She's Amish.
And Allie looks adorable.
I'm the grandpa aesthetic.
Hey, that's in. I love that. Okay, so Sexy Fish did not work out. We sprinted to this random restaurant.
In the rain.
In the rain.
We battled all the elements today. Heat, lightning, thunderstorm, traffic. Nothing has gone as planned. All of our outfits failed.
We changed the Uber literally three times.
But we have martinis on the way, so
yeah, it's good.
It's gonna be up.
Yes. Cheers!
I'm so weak.
Good?
Well, it's really good. Yeah, delicious.
I think our waiter is either bored or lonely. He's come over here like 6 times, like, let me know. Just let me know. Anything you need, let me know.
He asked if I was Cuban.
And we were like, no, like, American. He was like, American? We're like,
you thought I had an accent. I don't. I'm just softer.
so good. Good?
Yes, I didn't know.
Oh my gosh. This is awesome. It's literally so.
Can you show my pant leg?
Part 1000. Actually, you know what? Jill's an idiot. Part 1000. Booked the wrong flight again. I can't even count how many times I've done that. I booked it from LA to Miami, not Miami to LA. So that sucks. But honestly, I don't know why, but I have a smile on my face and it's fine because Miss Allie, thankfully, is driving me to Orlando. So I have a flight from Orlando to LA tonight. So here we are. Here she goes.